Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you this Luverne side step we have installed here on our Ford Transit cargo van. This is at the side sliding door. This happens to be the grip step, which is a 7-inch deep step. You can get it in various lengths, but here for the side sliding door, it's the 54-inch long step. It's a 3-bracket kit. Installation is actually pretty simple on these Ford Transit vans because a lot of them have pre-existing studs on the side frame of the vehicle that you just tie these brackets into. They give you the nuts to thread right on there. And then you're gonna use a little T-nut for this back bracket right here, but pretty simple installation. And the benefit of this step, obviously, is it gives you a 13-inch stepping surface to get into the van, as opposed to the 22-inch step you'd have to make here to this inset step from the factory. So just super simple step into the van, into your inset step, into the cargo floor. This is gonna be huge for those parcel delivery carriers who need to make tons of trips in and out of the side of the van here. This is a standard product on a lot of delivery service providers. And so we sell a lot of these for people who need replacements or just need to add that upgrade to the van to make it a whole lot easier for your drivers out there making those deliveries. Now, these side steps are actually one of my top recommendations for anybody who has a cargo van, because that 22-inch step can just be brutal if you're using that multiple times a day to get in and out of the van. This is just gonna make that safer and easier, make you more efficient out in the field and all of that. Now, this step is really kind of a 2-part kit, if you will. You have the running board right here, then you have the brackets, and the brackets and the running board are boxed separately. Sometimes you can purchase them separately depending on what you need, or you can buy it as a full kit. Now, your brackets are actually gonna be made of steel. They're powder coated black, and then the running board is actually aluminum, also powder coated black, that same color, so you're not gonna deal with any of the corrosion or anything like that on your side step. I love the way that they designed this step. It has the opening, the grate, if you will, to let all your moisture and your snow and what have you just fall right beneath the step and not gather on the step. Now, there's 2 kind of mounting configurations, if you will, for this step and how you attach it to the brackets. We have it actually in further outboard, so it's as far away from the van as you can get. It's basically flush with this black trim on the side door here and gives you that full 7-inch stepping surface. You can also adjust this and move it inward about 1 to 2 inches if you want that hugging the van a little bit closer. Maybe you just want to be able to clear obstacles and things like that. Now, in terms of how far this comes out from the side of the vehicle, in this furthest out position, it's still inboard from your side view mirror, so you're gonna have plenty of room for getting in and out of your garages and things like that. Now, you can also get a matching step for your rear door. It's gonna be the same 54 inches wide and 7-inch deep step. Obviously, different brackets for attaching there at your rear door. You can also get steps for your passenger door right here and your driver's side door. Now, if you're looking for this Luverne grip step or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. And my name is Ryan, and have a good one.